Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change display resolution in Windows 11 PC. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click Settings. Under Settings, click on System in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one Display option. Here, under a Scale and Layout section, you will find Display Resolution option. Click on this one drop down menu and select a new resolution for your Windows 11 PC. It will prompt, do you want to keep your display settings? If you are satisfied with your display settings, click on this one keep changes button or click on this one revert button. And in case you have chosen revert option, again select a new resolution, and in case you are happy, then click on this one keep changes button to save the display resolution on your Windows 11 PC.